Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the importance of real theism. See, in this world, since long ago, violence and terrorism have been going on in the name of God and religion. The main reason for this is theists are forgotten the real theism. Our Sanatana Hindu Dharma is the most ancient religion in this entire world, which says that Ekam Sat religion, Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti. That means truth is one, paths are many. God is one, names and forms are different. Our Shastra very clearly says that accepting this religious diversity is the real theism. If you don't accept this religious theism, if you don't accept this religious theism, then you are not a real theist. This is what our Shastra says. This real theism is the source of true happiness and peace of this world. But some people in this world will not accept this religious diversity. They disagree with this religious diversity. They say that truth is one, path is also only one. These narrow-minded and selfish, obstinate views are responsible for violence, unrighteousness, terrorism, mutual hatred, and jealousy are being perpetrated in the name of God and religion. So we can say that forgetting this religious diversity, the real theism, is the source of unrest in this world. Because some people in this world will not accept this religious diversity. These narrow-minded and selfish, obstinate views are hatred and jealousy being perpetrated in the name of God and religion. So, our Shastra very clearly says that Forgetting this real theism is the main cause for the unrest of this universe. Now let us see some more factors of this real theism. Without any least doubt, believing in the existence of God and soul is the real theism. Worshipping God only for awakening the divine qualities in us is the real theism. Devatas and all other devatas in our Ishtadevata is the real theism. Here, Ishtadevata means favorite deity. Seeing our Ishtadevata in all other devatas and all other devatas in our Ishtadevata.